Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying the simplest failure points because they fix most on/off cycling issues quickly. First, make sure the monitor and wall switch are on and the power cable is firmly seated. Loose power causes intermittent shutdowns. Once done, replace the video cable with a known good HDMI or DisplayPort cable to rule out signal loss. Then move the monitor to another outlet or tried surge protector to eliminate mains problems before deeper troubleshooting. Next, isolate the source by testing components. You should reseat your graphics card and cables because poor contact can cause the monitor to lose sync and turn off. Then connect the monitor to a different computer to see if the issue follows the screen or the PC. Update or roll back GPU drivers and adjust power settings, since driver conflicts and sleep timers often produce cycles. Also visually inspect the monitor for buzzing, flicker, or bulging capacitors, signs of internal power board failure. For final resolution, apply firmware updates and perform an on-screen display factory reset because corrupted firmware or settings can cause repeated power cycling. If the monitor still cuts out, swap the external power brick or, for internal faults, replace the power board. You do this because failed voltage regulation is the common hardware cause. Once repaired, run continuous usage for 24 hours to verify stability. If problems continue, one troubleshooting tip: log exact behavior and times.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.